Good morning, dear groomies. Today we are going to start Chapter 6 of EVS, Our Neighborhood. Keywords: serve, present food or drink, celebrate, enjoy an activity with near and dear ones, politely, showing regards, courage, fearlessness, knowing my neighborhood. People living in our neighborhood are our neighbors. People living just next to us are our next door neighbors. Any place near to our house is our neighborhood. जो भी आपके हाउस के आसपास का जो एरिया होता है और आसपास के जो हाउसेस होते हैं वो क्या है, आपका नेबरहुड है. और जो आपका नेक्स्ट डोर जो नेबर है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो योर नेबरहुड. रिस्पेक्टिंग योर नेबर्स. Our behavior is an important factor in maintaining relations. आपका behavior ही बताता है कि आप relation कैसे maintain करते हो. How should we behave with our neighbors? Be friendly. You should always be friendly with your neighbors and with your friends. We must greet our neighbors politely whenever we meet them. जब भी आप आपके नेबर्स से मिलते हो यू शुड ऑलवेज बिहेव पोलाइटली एंड टॉक नाइसली. सेलिब्रेट टुगेदर. वी मस्ट गो टू देयर हाउस और इनवाइट दैम ओवर फॉर फेस्टिवल्स एंड सेलिब्रेशंस. जब भी आपके घर पे फेस्टिवल या सेलिब्रेशन होता है सो यू आर सपोज टू इनवाइट to your neighbors' friends. Okay? Help them. We must help our neighbors whenever needed, especially if there are any elders in our neighborhood. We must ensure that we treat them with respect. आपको आपके नेबर्स की हमेशा हेल्प करनी चाहिए, स्पेशली जो एल्डर्स होते हैं उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. एंड you should ensure that you are treating them with respect. Do not disturb neighbors. We must not make too much noise while playing and also avoid playing music at high volume when we celebrate birthdays or festivals. जब भी आप बर्थडेज या फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हो तो आपको म्यूज़िक हाई वॉल्यूम पर प्ले नहीं करना चाहिए और अपने नेबर्स को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए. हाउ शुड वी कीप आवर नेबरहुड? कीप द नेबरहुड क्लीन. वी मस्ट मेक श्योर दैट वी थ्रो ऑल द लिटर इन द गार्बेज बिन्स. वी मस्ट नॉट थ्रो द वेस्ट ऑफ और हाउसेज ऑन द रोड्स. वी मस्ट कीप द नेबरहुड क्लीन. आपका जो भी गार्बेज होता है सो यू शुड ऑलवेज थ्रो दैट गार्बेज इन द बिन्स. ओके, डोंट थ्रो द वेस्ट ऑन द रोड्स और ऑन द हाउसेस. वी मस्ट कीप द नेबरहुड क्लीन. यू शुड ऑलवेज कीप योर नेबरहुड क्लीन. कीप द नेबरहुड ग्रीन. While playing in the park, we must not run over the plants. We must not pluck flowers from the plants in the park. We must not litter in the park. जब भी आप पार्क में प्ले करने जाते हो सो यू आर नॉट सपोज टू रन ओवर द प्लांट्स. और जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं जो ग्रो करते हैं उनको भी प्लक नहीं करना चाहिए. Important places in the neighborhood. A neighborhood has places that provide services to us. We do not have to go far away to do things. Some of the important places in the neighborhood could be school. A neighborhood has schools and some also have colleges. They are useful for children living in the neighborhood. Market. Our neighborhood has a market. You can buy items that you need every day from the market. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Grocery and stationery items are available there. Hospital. Hospitals or nursing homes are present in every neighborhood. Doctors and nurses cure the people who are ill and provide medications and intensive care. Post office. Every neighborhood has a post office that makes it easy to send and receive letters and couriers. Police station. At least one police station is present in every neighborhood. It helps to maintain the security of the people living there. We must respect the police for their courage and dedication. Places of worship. Most neighborhoods have places of worship. We go there with our family to pray. Most places of worship have a priest. A lot of people also serve at their respective places of worship. India is a country with people different religions. Every religion has a different place of worship. आपने भी देखा होगा कि आपके नेबरहुड में बहुत सारे वर्शिप प्लेसेस होगी where there you go with your family to pray. Temple. Temple is the place of worship for the people who follow Hinduism. जो हिंदुइज्म को फॉलो करते हैं their people go to temple. Mosque. Mosque is the place of worship for people who follow Islam. Church. Church is the place of worship for people who follow Christianity. Gurudwara. Gurudwara is the place of worship for people who follow Sikhism. Landmarks. A landmark is a famous place close to your house that helps to find the location of your place. When someone comes to your house for the first time, you guide them with the landmark near your house. This makes it easier for them to locate your house. जब भी आपके हाउस में कोई गेस्ट फर्स्ट टाइम आता है then they call you and you tell them there and you tell your landmark around your house. आपके हाउस के आसपास जो भी लैंडमार्क होता है वो आप उनको बताते हो तो वो ईजिली लोकेट कर लेते हैं आपके हाउस को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द लैंडमार्क फॉर माई हाउस इज़ द फाउंटेन नेक्स्ट टू इट. मेरे हाउस के पास में क्या है? फाउंटेन. सो दिस इज माई लैंडमार्क. द लैंडमार्क फॉर माई हाउस इज द लेक इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. नाउ इस हाउस में क्या लैंडमार्क है? यस, लेक इज द लैंडमार्क ऑफ दिस house. So groomies, this is all for the chapter. Hope you have understood it, but you have to read this chapter twice for better understanding. Thank you, groomies.